It has been an absolute honor to serve the community of the Windhoek West constituency for the past 5 years. We were able to implement various projects ranging from SME support, safety and security, health, education, but to mention a few. This came about through community engagement and the support of the Constituency Development Committee in terms of identifying these various projects. What more if we were able to build a fully fledged building on the foundation that has already been laid in order for us to extend the services to our people. Come the 26th of November 2025, we urge everyone to vote for the SWAPO party and for Tangi Muteka for the Windhoek West constituency. I thank you.